Hey everyone, and welcome back to AI Moneymakers. Today we're going to be doing a deep dive
Yeah.
into my proven 7-step system that I've created for a successful affiliate marketing business.
Cool.
This isn't some kind of theoretical mumbo jumbo. This is like the
Ugh,
exact blueprint that I used to build a business that generated over
right.
$33,000 in a single day.
That's incredible.
Um, so if you're ready to kind of unlock the secrets to replicating this success,
Yeah.
stick with us because this deep dive is packed with actionable steps
Love it.
that you can start implementing today.
Cool.
So let's jump right into step one,
Okay.
which is niche selection.
Okay.
This is really where your journey begins.
Yeah.
Now, you might be tempted to just like chase the shiniest object, the niche that everyone's talking about.
Right.
But here's the secret. The most profitable niches are often hiding in plain sight.
I like that.
It's about finding a niche that aligns with your passions
Yeah.
and solves a real problem for a significant audience.
Yeah. Right. And tacking into like what people are truly struggling with and offering solutions that genuinely make their lives better.
For example, when I started out, I was passionate about personal finance,
Okay.
and I realized so many people struggle with saving money
Yeah.
while shopping online.
Makes sense.
Right, and that's a burning pain point, like a problem that keeps people up at night.
For sure.
And so I focused on providing solutions like recommending cashback platforms and sharing money-saving tips.
Yeah. And that's where tools like Google Trends become so invaluable. It's not just about looking at what's trending, but understanding like why it's trending.
Yeah,
Is this like a fleeting fad or is this like a sustainable trend
that's right.
with long-term potential? You really need to dig deeper and analyze that data.
Yeah, you can compare different niches and see how they've performed over time.
Right.
For instance, if you were looking at skincare fitness or the business world,
Okay.
you'd notice that both fitness and business have seen significant growth in recent years compared to skincare.
Interesting.
So that kind of insight can really help you choose a niche with staying power.
Yeah.
All right, so once you've nailed down your niche,
Yeah.
it's time to tackle step two,
All right.
brand building.
Yay.
This is where you decide whether you want to kind of put yourself front and center
Yeah.
or operate behind the scenes.
Right.
And both approaches have their merits.
Mm-hmm.
Some people thrive on building personal brands,
Yeah.
connecting with their audience on a deeper level.
Yeah, for sure.
Others prefer the anonymity of a faceless brand,
Right.
letting the value of their content speak for itself.
Mm-hmm.
I've personally found that building a personal brand can be incredibly powerful.
Yeah.
When people see your face and they hear your story,
Yeah.
they connect with you on a human level.
Right.
It builds trust,
It does.
and it makes your recommendations more impactful.
For sure.
But hey, if you're not comfortable being the face of your brand,
Mm-hmm.
that's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
The key is to choose the approach that aligns best with your personality
Mm-hmm.
and your long-term goals.
All right.
Okay, so let's move on to step three,
Right.
finding high-paying affiliate links.
Yeah.
This is where the money-making magic happens.
I like it.
You want to find products or services that offer generous commissions
Yeah.
and resonate with your audience.
Makes sense.
There are tons of affiliate networks out there,
Right.
but two that I've had a lot of success with are ClickBank and Impact.
Okay.
They offer a wide variety of programs across different niches,
Mm-hmm.
and the commission rates can be really impressive,
Yeah.
especially in areas like finance.
Nice.
I remember discovering a fantastic finance-related affiliate program on Impact
Cool.
that allowed me to earn substantial commissions
Wow.
by just recommending investment tools and resources.
Interesting.
The key is to really research different programs within your niche
Right.
and find those hidden gems
Yeah.
that align with your audience's needs.
Makes sense.
And don't be afraid to negotiate higher commission rates as your business grows
Good point.
and you start driving significant traffic and sales.
Yeah. You have more leverage than you think.
Okay, so you've got your niche,
Okay.
you've got your brand strategy,
Mhm.
and you've got some killer affiliate links.
Right.
Now it's time to build the foundation of your online empire.
Okay.
Step 4,
Step 4.
building a website and blog.
Okay. Website and blog.
And I know what you're thinking, like,
Yeah.
building a website sounds complicated and techy,
Uh-huh.
but it doesn't have to be.
Right.
You don't need to be a coding wizard to create a beautiful and effective website.
Exactly.
Platforms like Shopify make it incredibly easy to set up an online store,
Mm-hmm.
even if you have zero technical experience.
Nice.
And don't underestimate the power of a blog.
Right.
This is your content hub where you can share valuable information
Yeah,
answer your audience's burning questions,
for sure.
and subtly weave in your affiliate recommendations.
Mhm.
Remember my example about saving money while shopping online?
Yeah. Huh?
I created a blog post that was packed with tips and tricks,
Yeah.
and then seamlessly introduced a cashback platform as the perfect solution.
Right. It's about providing value first
Exactly.
and then presenting those affiliate products
Yeah.
as a natural extension of that value.
It's a win-win for everyone involved.
I like it.
So we've laid the groundwork with our website and our blog.
Okay.
Now it's time to get the word out
All right.
and attract some eager customers.
All right.
That brings us to step 5,
Step 5.
promotion strategies.
All right.
This is where you unleash the power of social media and Pinterest.
Nice social media platforms like TikTok are gold mines
Yeah.
for affiliate marketing.
Right.
It's about understanding your audience's pain points
Mm-hmm.
and crafting content that resonates with their struggles.
For example, remember that viral video
Yeah.
showcasing that nifty butter spray gadget?
Oh, yeah.
It addressed a common kitchen frustration
Mm-hmm.
and offered a brilliant solution.
Yeah.
And by directing viewers to my website with my affiliate link,
Right.
I generated a ton of sales.
Yeah.
The beauty of platforms like that is that you don't even have to show your face if you're
Yeah.
not comfortable.
Mm-hmm.
You can use AI tools to create engaging content
Exactly.
without ever stepping in front of the camera.
Yeah.
It's all about getting creative
Mm-hmm.
and finding what works best for you.
Yeah.
And if you're ever feeling stuck for ideas, just look at what's trending.
Right.
There's always something happening
Yeah.
that you can leverage to create compelling content.
Now let's talk about Pinterest.
Yes.
It's a visual paradise for promoting affiliate products.
Yeah.
And you don't need to be a graphic design guru to create eye-catching pins.
Right.
Tools like Canva make it super easy to
Mhm.
create stunning visuals that showcase your affiliate links.
I remember creating a simple but visually appealing pin using Canva
Nice.
to promote one of my Shopify links.
Yeah.
And I was blown away when that single pin ended up generating thousands of dollars in sales.
Wow, that's amazing.
It was a testament to the power of Pinterest.
It is incredibly effective.
Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground.
Yeah, we have.
We've talked about niche selection,
Mm-hmm.
brand building,
Yep.
finding those lucrative affiliate links,
Uh-huh.
setting up your online storefront,
Right.
and leveraging the power of social media and Pinterest.
I like it.
Now buckle up,
Okay.
because we're about to unlock the secret weapon
Okay.
of successful affiliate marketers.
All right, I'm ready.
Step 6,
Step 6.
building an email newsletter.
The email newsletter.
This is where you cultivate a loyal following of engaged subscribers
Yeah.
who are eagerly waiting to hear from you.
Right.
It's like having a direct line to their inbox
Mm-hmm.
where you can share valuable content
Right.
and promote your affiliate products.
Makes sense.
It's a game changer.
It is.
Think about it. If you have 10,000 engaged email subscribers who trust your recommendations,
Mm-hmm.
the earning potential is enormous.
Wow.
I personally generate a significant portion of my income,
Yeah.
around $10,000 to $20,000 per month,
Wow.
just from my email list.
That's awesome.
It's an invaluable asset. Now, I know we've thrown a lot of information at you,
Yeah.
but hopefully you're feeling energized and ready to take action.
Yeah.
We're just getting started.
Okay.
We've covered the first 6 steps,
Mm-hmm.
but there's one more crucial step
Right.
that can take your affiliate marketing business
Okay.
to the next level.
Gotcha.
And that's step 7, scaling and automation.
Ooh, scaling and automation. I like it.
This is where you unlock explosive growth
Okay.
by leveraging paid advertising
Right.
and outsourcing tasks
Mm-hmm.
to free up your time
Yeah.
and focus on strategic decision making.
Makes sense.
But that's a story for part 2 of our deep dive.
Okay.
So make sure to subscribe to AI Moneymakers so you don't miss out on the next exciting installment.
Sounds good. Welcome back, everyone. So excited to dive into step 7,
Yeah.
scaling and automation.
Mm-hmm.
This is where it gets really exciting.
Yes, this is about like supercharging your growth
Exactly.
and freeing up your time.
Yes.
We're talking paid advertising and outsourcing.
That's right.
2 game-changing strategies.
Absolutely. These are the tools that help me
Yeah,
scale my business to that $33,000 a day mark.
I love it.
It's not about working harder.
Mm-hmm.
It's about working smarter.
Exactly.
So let's start with paid advertising.
Okay.
Platforms like Google Ads and Pinterest ads
Yep.
allow you to just put your offers in front of a much wider audience.
Right.
It's like you're taking your marketing efforts
Okay.
and just amplifying them exponentially.
I remember when I first dipped my toes into paid advertising.
Yeah.
It was a little bit daunting at first,
Sure.
but once I got the hang of it, it was like turning on a
Yeah,
faucet of
right.
targeted traffic.
Yeah, the key is to understand your target audience
Right.
and create ads that speak directly to their needs and desires.
Yeah.
It's also crucial to track your results and make adjustments along the way.
Right.
Paid advertising is a constant process of optimization.
One thing that really helped me was A/B testing,
Yeah.
different ad variations. So I'd create 2 slightly different versions of an ad
Okay.
and see which one performs better.
Yeah.
It's amazing how small tweaks
Right.
can make a huge difference
Absolutely.
in your click-through rates and conversions.
And don't forget about retargeting.
Oh yeah, retargeting.
This allows you to show ads to people who've already visited your website or interacted with your content.
Right.
It's a powerful way to stay top of mind
Yes.
and bring those potential customers back into your sales funnel.
It's like giving those hesitant shoppers a gentle nudge,
Exactly.
reminding them of the awesome products they were checking out.
That's right.
Now let's talk about automation and the magic of outsourcing.
Outsourcing.
As your affiliate marketing business starts to grow, you'll find yourself wearing multiple hats.
Yeah.
You can become overwhelming, trying to handle everything yourself.
Right.
That's where outsourcing comes in.
I love it.
Imagine having a team of virtual assistants
Yeah.
handling those time-consuming tasks, like creating Pinterest posts, researching content ideas,
Yeah.
or even editing your videos.
Totally.
It frees up your time
Yeah.
to focus on the strategic aspects of your business,
Right.
the things that only you can do.
That's it.
It's like having a clone army
I love that analogy.
working behind the scenes to support your success.
I love it.
I remember when I first started outsourcing,
Yeah.
it felt like a huge weight
Uh-huh.
had been lifted off my shoulders.
Totally.
I could finally focus on the big picture and let go of those smaller tasks that were draining my energy.
It's a game changer.
It is.
Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it incredibly easy to find talented freelancers from all over the world who can help you with just about anything.
It's mind-blowing how much talent is available
It is.
at your fingertips.
Right.
The key is to clearly define your needs,
Yeah.
communicate effectively, and build strong relationships
Right.
with your freelancers.
Yeah. And don't be afraid to start small.
Yes.
You don't need to outsource everything at once.
Right.
Begin by delegating a few tasks and see how it goes.
Yeah.
As you become more comfortable with the process,
Yeah.
you can gradually expand your outsourcing efforts.
So let's take a moment to recap
Okay.
the 7 steps we've covered in this deep dive.
Right.
We started with niche selection,
Yeah.
finding that sweet spot where your passions and market demand intersect.
Right.
Then we moved on to brand building,
Uh-huh.
deciding whether to go personal or faceless,
Yep.
and creating a brand identity that resonates with your target audience.
Love it.
Next, we explored finding high-paying affiliate links,
Yes.
emphasizing the importance of choosing products or services that align with your niche
Right.
and offer generous commissions.
Absolutely.
We stressed the significance of building a website and blog,
Yeah.
creating an online hub where you can share valuable content, showcase your affiliate links,
Right.
and build trust with your audience.
For sure.
Then we delved into promotion strategies, harnessing the power of social media and Pinterest
Yes.
to drive traffic and generate leads.
Absolutely.
And we unlocked the secret weapon of building an email newsletter,
Yes.
cultivating a loyal following of engaged subscribers who are eager to hear from you.
Right.
And finally, we explored scaling and automation,
That's good.
leveraging paid advertising to
Right.
expand your reach, and outsourcing tasks to free up your time and focus on strategic growth.
These 7 steps are not just a random collection of tips.
Right.
They're a proven system that I've used myself.
And that countless others have used to achieve remarkable success
Yes.
in the world of affiliate marketing.
It's true.
And remember, this is just the beginning of your journey.
Yeah.
The world of affiliate marketing is constantly evolving.
Yeah.
So it's essential to stay curious, keep learning, and adapt to new trends. And the beauty of it is it offers incredible flexibility and freedom.
Yeah.
You can work from anywhere in the world,
Right.
set your own hours, and be your own boss.
It's true. I remember when I first started my affiliate marketing journey, I was working a 9-to-5 job that I wasn't passionate about, and I felt trapped and unfulfilled.
Yeah.
Affiliate marketing gave me a way to break free and create a life on my own terms.
It's empowering, isn't it? To
Absolutely.
have the ability to create your own income
Yeah.
and design a lifestyle that aligns with your values.
And the best part is anyone can do this.
Hmm.
You don't need a fancy degree or years of experience.
Right.
All you need is a willingness to learn.
A bit of creativity and the right strategies to guide you.
And that's what we've been trying to provide in this deep dive.
Yeah.
Like a roadmap to success. A set of actionable steps that you can start implementing today
Yes.
to build your own thriving affiliate marketing business.
Remember, we've only scratched the surface here.
Right.
There's so much more to learn and explore in the ever-evolving world of affiliate marketing. But with the foundation we've laid today,
Yeah.
you're well on your way to creating a successful and fulfilling online business.
And don't forget, we're here to support you every step of the way.
Yes.
Subscribe to AI Moneymakers for more in-depth resources, strategies, and inspiration to help you achieve your financial goals and live the life of your dreams.
We're dropping new content all the time,
Yes, we are.
covering everything from niche selection to paid advertising, from email marketing to automation.
That's right.
We're your one-stop shop for all things affiliate marketing.
So hit that subscribe button and join our community of like-minded individuals
Yes.
who are passionate about building successful online businesses.
And that wraps up our deep dive into the 7-step process to affiliate marketing success.
That's right.
We hope you found this valuable and insightful.
Yeah.
Remember, I was able to generate over $33,000 in a single day using this exact system.
If I can do it, you can too.
Absolutely, don't be afraid to dream big and take action.
Yeah?
The world of affiliate marketing is full of possibilities, and we're excited to see what you achieve.
Yeah.
Until next time, keep hustling, keep learning, and keep those affiliate commissions rolling in.
That's right.
And don't forget to subscribe to AI Moneymakers for more game-changing strategies and inspiration.
Yeah.
We'll see you in the next deep dive.